Hi, I am Tara, a watercolor artist and teacher. On this channel, I share watercolor lessons, techniques, and helpful tips for everyone. If watercolor is something you love or want to learn, please subscribe to support the channel. Now let's jump into today's video. Hello, I am Tara. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to paint this landscape. A clear sky, its reflection on the water, and a meadow and a tree. First, we spray some water on the paint to soften them and get them ready for painting. I want to prepare a few colors. I wash my brush, light orange, purple mixed with a bit of red, and a few shades of blue. I wet the paper with a flat brush. I start with the orange color. Painting horizontally from the middle of the paper using light back and forward strokes. Then I add the purple, and finally the blue. For the lower part, I apply the colors a bit more intensely. We have to use a tissue paper to absorb the excess water around the painting. And we need to wait for the paper to dry and then we will continue again. Here I'm going to prepare a few colors again. I spray water. I need green. Olive green, again olive green mixed with a bit of orange, again green, and red, with indigo to create a dark green. red mixed with olive green, and brown, with indigo to get completely dark color. And then we start painting. I sketched a very light outline just to indicate the direction of the water. I start with a large dagger brush. I wash the brush, pick up a generous amount of green paint, I need more green, and apply the color horizontally from the middle of the page. I tilt the paper. I also added dark color to the bottom area. As long as the paper is still wet, we can keep working on it and add more color. But once it dries, we shouldn't add paint because it will leave harsh marks. I tried to use different color, orange, green. Here also I add dark green.